Can we please turn on the AC a little early today?
It's not that hot in here.
It's blazing in here!
We can't afford to turn on the AC until 6.
Are you serious?
Okay, family meeting. Everybody in the kitchen, now.
I'll give up my video games.
I'll give up my dollies.
Okay, I'll turn the house fan on.
PR man!
Citizens, listen to me, PR man. Gone are the days of loud whole house fans and high electric bills. I bring to you a whole house fan that is finally quiet and cool. Because you deserve to be cool. Don't be hot and broke this summer. Call PR Plumbing, Heating, and Air to get a whole house fan that's quiet and cool. Let me make you cool again. And quiet.